Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2023 and is related to the topic pollution. The question is, consider the following: number 1, aerosols, number 2, foam agents, number 3, fire retardants, and number 4, lubricants. In the making of how many of the above are hydrofluorocarbons used? So in this question, hydrofluorocarbons has been asked, whereas some other substance, that is hydrochlorofluorocarbons, are also used for refrigeration purposes. So we will see the difference between hydrofluorocarbons and hydrochlorofluorocarbons, and then we will try to solve this question. So first of all, the definition of hydrofluorocarbons are hydrofluorocarbons are the compounds that are having chlorine as well as fluorine elements, whereas hydrofluorocarbon, they do not have chlorine in it. The use of HCFC has been phased out from use under Montreal Protocol because this was ozone depleting substance. Because of this, there was a depletion of stratospheric ozone, and hence a ozone hole was formed near the Antarctic Circle. So that's why the use of HCFCs have been phased out from refrigeration purposes as well as from other purposes as far as HCFC is concerned. As far as this HFC is concerned, HFC use have also been phased down. HFCs came into picture in the year 1980s as replacement to HCFC, but these hydrofluorocarbons have higher global warming potentials. So compounds which are having higher global warming potential as compared to carbon, they are considered as HFCs, or they are having more global warming potential. For example, methane has 12 times more global warming potential. So HFCs also have comparatively higher global warming potential. Also, HFCs are short-lived pollutants, climatic pollutants. That is, they are in the atmosphere for less than 30 years. They are not for longer period. They are in the atmosphere for less than 30 years. As far as composition is concerned, there is chlorine and fluorine in HCFC, whereas this is chlorine free. And as far as damage to the atmosphere is concerned, then this is ozone depleting, and this does not cause damage to the ozone layer but causes global warming. So in Montreal Protocol, there was an amendment made to phase down the uses of HFCs as well. That is known as Kigali Amendment. This amendment was done because there was increase in global warming because of use of HFCs. So, and HFCs have higher global warming potential. That's why their use have been phased down. Now, if we see the question again, then these HFCs are used for various purposes like aerosols, foam agents, fire retardants, but they are not used to make lubricants. So our answer for this question will be C, only 3. As far as HFCs are concerned, since we are phasing down HFCs, so we should have alternative ready for the use of HFCs. For example, if we want to use something else in place of HFC, Then for refrigeration purposes, we can use dry ice or CO2. So like this, for different purposes, we can have alternative ready. We can use water as well. So they have lesser global warming potential as compared to HFCs. So that's why there has been talk regarding the decline or phasing down the uses of HFCs, and hence this question was asked that in making of hydrofluorocarbons or HFCs, how many of these can be used? So these three can be used. Thank you.